Hey guys, I'm Jadyn, and today we're gonna make a realistic wound. So hope you enjoy it. So this is what it's kind of gonna look like. Hi. Okay. So these are the materials you're gonna need to make this. So you're gonna need a pen with good black ink, and I'm using some BB cream, but you can use any foundation you have. And I'm using a makeup sponge. You can just blend it with your finger, and some food dye or coloring for the fake blood, and some bubble gum. Yeah, you can get that anywhere. And some toilet paper and a Q-tip. Okay, so first you need to open the bubble gum, and you don't get much. All you get is like
I want to eat the rest. Actually, I don't want to.
You only get like that much. This one. And you just kind of knead it so it's soft. And you want to flatten it out a lot so it will look even with your skin. And
wait, I need paper.
So you should keep flattening it. You might need a little bit more than this.
Just so I know for my gum.
Okay, and when you get it on your hand, you just get it more flat, and you kind of get the ends and blend it with the skin. And then we're going to be using the BB cream in just a second. First we got BB cream. Okay, once you have it all flattened out, we're going to get the BB cream.
Look at that, Jane.
Come on. And we're going to get the BB cream. And we're not going to get much. And we're just going to set it on the sides and on the top of it.
Ew.
And then get the makeup sponge and just make it look
That
as
does
realistic
not
as it
work.
can. I know we got to flatten it out more. Yes, I'm doing this. Got it.
That's way too.
And then you just keep working on that until it's all kind of the same color of the skin that you have. And yeah. You can get the skin on the outside so it will blend in with it too. And just keep it flatter and flatter and flatter so it's even with his hand. And you're gonna be putting a lot of like red fake blood on this, so you don't need it to be the exact color, but yeah.
Why are you acting so weird?
She's got it everywhere. And after that is done,
You just see a bubble gum.
you can get your pen, and you're just gonna make a little scar, however big or tiny you want, and then it's gonna go black.
That's not working. Jane, can I play soccer with this? With that little tiny ball?
And when you think it's black enough, you can get it however black you want. I'm gonna get a little blacker. You can have the scar as however big you want. And then you're gonna get some red dye or food coloring.
Keep saying dye.
And I'm gonna add a little bit more of this so it blends more. And when you get the
You have to not blend in, Jane.
you want to get the exact color of your skin, but it doesn't have to be exact because remember we're putting a lot of dye
How
on
are
it.
you videoing this? That takes forever.
I gotta do a lot of your finger. And just keep blending that. And it's getting evener and evener. And then we're gonna get the food dye.
Jane, it's food coloring.
Food coloring. And we're gonna get some of it and get on a Q-tip.
I'm almost done, Quincy.
And you just want to color the outside because it's gonna get a lot darker, but you want to color that right there.
Did I do this?
Okay. And then you want to put it on some some toilet paper, but you want it to be thick so it won't bleed through. And you're just gonna put one tiny little dot.
That's big, Jane. Big, tiny little dot.
And you're just gonna dab it everywhere.
Don't even see any redness.
Yeah, it's gonna get redder.
Oh no, I see it.
And you just want to keep adding it wherever you think it, however much you want it to be red.
That.
And you just keep adding as much as you want the wound to be as bad as you want. What's that, strokes?
This comes out really easily because you can just peel it.
Yes. When you want it off, all you do is peel the bubble gum off, and then
but it's not.
and then just wash your hands. It's really easy to get off.
My face one was really bad. I had to wash it off, but then it just got way a lot on my face.
You can make it as bloody as you want because, yeah.
Is that good? I think you're good.
I think, yeah, me too. Yeah.
Yeah!
Okay, Jace, let's see. Show the camera. Back up. Oh, there we go. So how does that look? That looks pretty realistic. Yikes.
Okay, Twinsie, I'm done.
Yeah. So thank you for watching. After you watch this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, see you next time.